I think if you came and visited KC Roof Plumbing like 5 years ago, we'd be a very different company. We're always challenging ourselves, we're always growing as a team internally. I keep getting astounded by the people I'm surrounded with because they just keep wanting to learn, so it makes me wanting to keep learning. It makes me keep having to learn as well because nobody wants to be around a company where no one's wanting to learn. So I think that's the most important thing. We're always skilling up.
Nothing like compares to the work environment and the culture that we have here that we've actually, I feel like we've worked on together as well. Like we've sort of built this company's culture like from scratch. It's sort of, and I've been here for the whole sort of journey of it, which is good. So you feel like you're really involved in it. So that's, yeah, I probably wouldn't ever go anywhere else.